Yeah, you better get out of the way.
Hey, vicious kitty. Are you playing the vicious kitty? Oh, my hand. Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Both paws on the bed. She's gonna pounce his butt.
He's fighting in or even on.
I don't know how she can stand it.
That's what she snapped a minute ago and told her to stop. You got here and get real loud.
Yeah, but I can't see what they're doing.
Oh, that kitty. Oh, that kitty. Oh, you missed it.
What'd I miss?
I was trying to get her to do the big dog circle earlier, and she came back in for using the bathroom. She was semi-doing them. She was going in a circle like this, but I couldn't get her to lift her paws up to do it. I'm going to get her to do that, though.
Yeah.
Then I'm going to try to get it on video.
You gonna get him? You gonna get that puppy? You get that puppy?
Oh.
She's like, come on, get down. Easy, easy. Don't hurt the puppy. Look at that tail.
Are you done? Oh, kitty. Oh, yeah. Talk to you.
I still believe those two know what they're doing. It's hard to watch them suffer, but you have to realize that this is what they live for.
That little bark. You try and sound tough and you can't.
Oh, she got you that time, huh? I wasn't telling her to get it.